and we're just ready for it. Yeah.
Now, a national volleyball tournament for people living with disability has officially kicked off here in Nairobi, attracting representatives from more than 10 counties. Leaders in the country have been urged to allocate more funds to support such teams, noting the need for inclusivity in sports development.
So I'm very proud of the Para Volleyball Association that has brought these teams together in Nairobi. I'm also proud of my team from Nairobi for hosting them. But I feel that we could do so much more. And we want county governments to focus with the big monies that they get and the more monies they're asking for. Surely they should be able to support teams.
Hii mchezo ni trials, ni mchezo ya kuchagua national team yenye inaenda kurepresent Kenya katika Africa Championship.
Nataka government afanye sana sana kwa hii mchezo, kwanza recognize hii mchezo kama ni mchezo ya hii ni mchezo ya kawaida, wasibague kwamba hii ni ya mchezo ya disability, hii ni ya disability na hii ni ya able.
And now in the Premier League, Mikel